Hello guys, how are you all? I hope everyone doing good. How's everybody doing guys? Let me know. And did you enjoy the previous trade which gives us 700 plus pips and the trade is still running with our final TP targets still ongoing. Hello Akhil, how are you? Hello Crazy Alien, how are you? Welcome back to the live stream. Make sure to like the stream and get ready for today's news and today big setup. Currently we are up 700 pips for the day and we need one more setup to go above 1000 pips target for the day. This was a sniper entry guys. Rate this trade which I gave yesterday night. Rate this trade guys out of 10. This was again a sniper entry and this gives us 700 plus pips. It's amazing. FOMC trade gives us 700 plus pips. And our final target 3885 is still valid. We can keep running this trade on this chart and we can do the analysis for today's live stream and today's setup on another chart. So we can okay, all right, if you are watching the screen, here is the core PC price index news. This is coming in just 2 hours. I think previously the data was 0.3% and the actual forecast is 0.2%. This is high impact news. This can leave us 500 pips of target today when the news will release. Actual data greater than the forecast is actually good for currency, which means if the actual data comes higher than this level 0.2%, which means dollar is getting strong and gold will be going to bearish side. I think today actual data will be a little less or will be 0.2%. I think there will be no change in the data today. It will be 0.2% only. So I think it can leave us a neutral behavior on the market. But yeah, we will see when the news will come and we will set up our positions accordingly. So this is the high impact news and we should need to take care of this news. But yeah, it's still 2 hours left the news, so we can look after other entries. Our previous trade is giving us 700 plus pips and now we can look for another entries. Let's do the analysis. Make sure to like the stream guys. Make sure to like and share the stream with your friends and then we can start the analysis. On the daily time frame, we are clearly in a downtrend following this trend line. On 4-hour time frame, on 4-hour time frame we can see the price is following this trend line very price is giving huge respect to this trend line and the bottom which is 3955. This level is also very important. 3955, it's the previous pending liquidity down there. This is on the 4-hour time frame. And if you see the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame says us that the high resistance level is same. There is no change in the upper trend line. It is exactly the same 4097, 4010, sorry 4110. And on 1 hour time frame, the support area is this one, this one. 1 hour time frame support is this area from where the price rejected recently 4011. On 1 hour time frame, there is no change of character happened yet. But if you see 30-minute time frame, I think there will be some kind of change of character. Okay, so on 15-minute time frame, you see the previous chart, the price is very near to 4084 level, a key level, and this is the FOMC trade which I gave yesterday night. This gives us 700 pips, and I am analyzing the market condition according to this trade because our final TP target 3886 is still valid. It can be hit very soon, so I am looking more sells than buy. But yeah, if we need to do some scalp trades, we can do that. The scalp buy trade can be from 4049 4040 area, and if you see the selling side, okay, we have this supply zone. We can retry a sell from this supply zone area. This supply zone is important one. We can retry a sell from this supply area. It will be at 4089. Current price is at 4080. So this seems to be a valid and good area for doing sell with a very tight stop loss of, sorry, the stop loss will be 150 pips. If we enter at 4090, the stop loss will be 4105, right above the trend line level. And the take profit target can be still, the final target will be 3885, and the TPs can be, let me mark it, the TPs can be this, this, and obviously this one, then this one, then the final TP, sorry, 3962 is the next target, this area, then the final TP. So I decided all these TPs on the basis of hurdles. So the final, the first TP will be I think this can be the first TP. Let me check it first. $3980 will be first TP. The first TP is just giving us confirmation that we can put the stop loss at break even and let the market run. So the first TP will be 3980, 3980 or 3981. The second TP will be 4068. Third TP will be 4049. We can remove this TP, but I just added this TP for being safe. But yeah, we can remove this TP as well because the major level is 4033. This is more important level than 4049. Okay, so we will go with 4033 level. Then the TP area is 4012 or 4000 level. Yeah, anyone from these two levels can be our TP4, and the TP5 will be 3963 and the final TP will be 3886. Yes, Indian government. I will put the signal in the VIP group as well. LX bro, this is 4089. 4089 is the entry point. It is almost near to our previous entry point, which was 4100. Is almost near to this level. So remember, this trade is still running. 4100, the entry at 4100 levels still running, and this trade has already given us 700 pips of profits. And the current sell trade which I am planning from 4090 4089 area is another trade. I hope in the yesterday sell trade, which gives us 700 pips of profit, everyone should have booked massive gains, massive profits. And remember guys, there is news as well for PC price index in just 1 hour 30 minutes, 1.5 hour. Meanwhile, we can understand how dollar is going. The dollar has it's very bullish bearish candle. The dollar has broken the trend line which it was falling for the past almost 20 days, and currently the dollar is at key level again, 100.67. so this is again a key level. I think from this area dollar can give us bullish momentum from this area, and if the dollar gives us bullish momentum from this area and it goes something like this, then our sell trade will go perfectly, and we will see the price will just tap this area and then go down. The dollar gives us rejection from this area, then gold can leaves a spike, take our entry and then go down. Currently the price is just looking for the core PCE price index news. This is high impact news, so yeah, it can give us a big momentum. Okay, this trade 4089 entry is valid only before the news. If the price takes too long in reaching this level, then I think we will go without this trade, because for PC price index is high impact news. and we can't predict this data because this data is mostly dependent on the FOMC Kevin Washwords, FPD Kevin Washwords. So yesterday, uh, Kevin Wash tone was dovish a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, it was a good thing that we take our entry exactly at that point 4100. It was exactly that point where banks and hedge funds have taken their entry and we ride with them. 4100 was the perfect entry and we enjoy the big move of 700 pips due to central banks and smart money. The plan is in front of you guys. I will write this plan shortly. Okay, I can write it now. Hold sell 4089 with the upper entry 4094. Stop loss will be 4105. Take profits are 4080, where we will put the stop loss at break even. The second TP will be 4068. These two are the same TPs which we used for our previous sell trade, which I gave yesterday night, which hit 700 pips of profit. So the first two TPs are exactly the same which we used last night. The third TP will be 4033 and fourth TP will be 402. Fifth TP will be 3963 and the final TP will be 3886. Amazing big vision. I'm really very happy for you that you grabbed $2,000 profit yesterday. Yes, that's what I am planning. Uh, if you take the trade from the group which I shared last night, the entry was 4100 levels. We grabbed 700 pips, and I already said everyone to book partial profits at 4050 area. 4050 area was a big level, but yeah, we break this level and we go down to 408 to 4028 area. But those who have taken partials at 4050 are already in a good profits. So and currently our this trade is still running, so we have nothing to lose. Our stop loss is at break even and we have already gained 700 pips of profit, which is amazing, which is huge, with our final TP still valid. That's nice, bro, Vivian. I'm really very happy for you that you make the big money. It's amazing. You can consider joining our free VIP group as well, because the VIP is free completely, and in our VIP group we always make more than 500 to 1000 pips every day, every single day, and our weekly targets are more than 3000 to 4000 pips, which means if you start with for example $1000, at the end of the week your account balance can be $3000 or probably $6000, depending on the risk. And in the past 9 days I think we have hit only one stop loss, and let me check what was the stats of the past 9 days. Okay, from 23rd July, on 23rd July our one stop loss got hit of minus 70 pips. After that we grabbed 360 pips, then 1200 pips, then 150, then 320, then 150, then 100, then 120, then 180, then 310, then 80 pips, then 300 again, then 250 again, then 50 pips, then 290, and 700 we can add that for the FOMC. but this trade is still running, that's why I did not add it yet. And I think in our July month we have grabbed almost 15,000 pips. 15,000 pips have been taken, I think, for this month. Last month we grabbed 15,980 pips, and this month I think we have grabbed 15,000 pips till now, and we are still today and tomorrow 2 days left. Okay, back to our trade plan is here. Amazing, Nasha bro, amazing. I'm really very happy for you. Sorry guys, I was away for a while. Uh, I'm back. Okay, yes, yes, you will wait for the price to reach our zone 4089, and AGRX is in contact with me. He is just away from the live streams, whereas I don't know about the Taylor Swift. I think he is busy. Okay, Indian government, let me check your DM. If we see the 1 hour time frame chart, guys, this current candle will decide the next move of the market. If this candle goes to this area and leaves a big wick to the entry point, then that means price is going to reject very hard. This 1 hour candle will decide, and in just 1 hour, there is news coming as well. So make sure to send your key points according to the news. Hello, love, how are you? Welcome back to the live stream for a long time. Make sure to like the stream. If you are successful in getting this trade, it will be massive one. Thanks a lot, AGS Farm, bro. Four zero seven six. We want the price to reach 4089 before the news. Forgot to write this. Yes, Crazy Alien news will be in 1 hour. Guys, I am back. Sorry, I was a little away. Okay, the price is at 4077. I thought the price will have reached my area of entry 4389 in this time because uh, I almost gave 30 minutes to the market. Now back watching the price is still at 4077 4380 area. Anyways, this is market. Welcome back, Lalaji. Yes, I'm here now. Okay, nice. $3,400 in just one trade. Amazing, bro, Lalaji. Congratulations. Happy for you, bro. This is big money. Yes, Krishna. I think. Uh, what if the price start falling from here? But don't worry. Still, we will stick to our plan. We will not rush into the entries. This is the only reason of our success. Yeah, don't worry, guys. Even if we miss, we are still good because we are overall in massive profits. We don't need to waste our profits in rushing into the entry. Anyways, if I find a new signal, I will post it here. Don't worry, guys. Uh, Hola, crazy alien. I'm back. Okay, 4078. The price is very slow, but don't worry. We have news coming in just 3 minutes. Let's do some research on this news. There are so many news at the same time. We have advanced GDP, quarter news, core PC price index, which is the main news. Then advanced GDP again, unemployment claims. At the same time, this is again good, like high impact news. Then personal income, then personal spending, then natural gas storage. So there are so many news at the same time, which can make which can make the price very manipulative. It can make big wicks on either side because the price will consume the effect of, oh damn, nice. You will see the price on the dollar chart is going up from the exact area which I have marked with the blue line. I was telling that the price gives some rejection here. From here the gold will start dropping, but yeah, I was waiting for the gold to reach at least this level. I was waiting for a sniper entry, waiting for a big kind of bullish candle which can leave a big wick to the upside. Anyways, we will wait because the dollar has one more hurdle here, the fair value gap. So when the dollar will reach there, then it will go down again, which can make the gold to our level 4090. Then I think it can go back and retest the fair value gap, and I think it can break the fair value gap this time, giving us some good profits. The entry is still valid, guys, but it is only valid before the news. The price still do not reach our entry points 15 minutes or 30 minutes before the news, then I think this entry can be suspicious or invalid. Make sure to like, guys. Every time when the news is going to release, the price become very slow. But I think this is the right time to do the live streams, because the price action is uh, neutral without any big volatility, and we can find good entries on 1 minute time frame and 3 minute time frame for scalps on the live streams. Right now we are just waiting for a big entry here, that's why I'm not looking into the scalps. Otherwise there are so many scalps options. As you can see, I can even point out the scalps without marking the levels. There are so many scalp levels there, but when we have bigger entry above, we should avoid these scalp trades. Let me show you something, guys. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, then again, uh, yes, here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Now again, accumulation, it's time for manipulation for a wick on the upside, then distribution on the downside. This power of 3 model. Price always respect power of 3 model. When you master accumulation, manipulation, distribution, you don't need any other strategy. But this is one of the hardest strategies to predict when the accumulation phase will end, when the manipulation phase will end, and when the distribution phase will start. This is one of the hardest strategies, but if you learn this, you don't need any other strategies to make money. That's why I always combine power of 3 model with other strategies. Yeah, as I told you guys earlier, that my strategy is a mixture of many other strategies, and I have spent years in understanding this strategy which I am currently using. That's why the win rate is so much high. We are at 92% win rate, guys. 92% win rate. When never see this kind of results anywhere in the market. 92% is huge win rate. This happens on every time frame, bro. Vicky. This happens on 5-minute time frame, 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frame as well. I can show you the exact thing on daily time frame as well. But yeah, the problem is with 4 hour and daily time frame, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution model takes so much long time to just execute the price action. It takes so much long on daily time frame. Like as you can see, this is the accumulation area. Sorry, marked wrong. We need to yeah, this is clear example. This area is accumulation area. This is manipulation. This is distribution. Then again, and if you see how much time it takes for the execution of distribution, it's almost 89 days for the completion of accumulation and manipulation, and then it took almost 96 days for the completion of distribution area. That's why traders always avoid this model on daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. That's why we always use this model on 1 hour, 3-minute, and 5-minute time frame. 1 hour is still good to trade the AMD model. On 5-minute and 15-minute time frame, this model is perfect to use. You can see at everywhere the price will be following the exact same model. Let's come on 5-minute time frame. I can show you. This is the accumulation. This is manipulation. Manipulation takes so much long time, this one. And then this is distribution. Okay, this is distribution. Then again, this is accumulation. This one is manipulation, and this one is distribution. That's how the market works. AMD model is actually designed by central banks and hedge funds. The big players like central banks, FAD, hedge funds, they always use this model to make their entries. And this is when you guys can make massive money, just like this one. As you can see, we waited for the price to reach 4100 level to take our entry, and we ride the big move because of the hedge funds and central bank entry at this point. And this trade is still running with one layer. Where is the previous setup? You are welcome, bro. Yes, we try to enter after manipulation. We always try to enter after manipulation. Now I think this seems to be the accumulation right now, and this seems to be the manipulation right now, and I think the manipulation is not done yet. Now we are just waiting for the distribution area. The distribution will come after a liquidity sweep of the manipulation area near this level to the downside. And also the distribution can be on the upside because there is news coming. So that's why predicting the distribution area right now is difficult because of the news. But overall, the distribution can be on this area as well. But more chances are for the downside. Yes, that's what we do. When the market is ranging, we wait for the manipulation like the liquidity sweeps, like the big candles with the big wicks on either side, and then we take the entry on the opposite side, just like this one. As you can see, FOMC was bullish, but right at the moment when the liquidity sweep has been done, this one was the liquidity sweep. We waited for the price to come to the level again 4100, and there's we give a big entry here, and it was 100% confirmed signal. That's what we do. We always take the opposite side of trade, which seems to be very obvious. We always take the entry on the opposite side of that entry because retail traders are like fish for the price action. The price always hunts their stop loss and then go to the actual direction. Yesterday, we already knew that the FOMC will be a sell signal, but I also said this in the on the live stream that the price will make a big bullish candle first to the upside because everyone was expecting a sell trade at the exact time of the news. That's why I said everyone, the price never follows the observations and where the most of the retail traders are standing. The price always try to take their stop losses first, and that's what happened exactly. At the price goes to the bullish side, takes people's stop losses who are planning the sell trade, and after that the price gives a sell confirmation. And this was the exact point. This one, where is the bullish marker? This one was the exact point when the price come back, takes the central banks and hedge fund entry, and then go down. You can see how much big move was this one. At the time of FOMC, people was expecting a sell trade. They opened their sell trade here, and their target was this one, and their stop losses will be near this one. The price goes up, take people's stop losses first, then goes down, giving a sign of sell trend during the FOMC. Then the hedge funds and central banks waited for this pullback, this one. They waited for this pullback, and then at the golden zone and the supply zone, they enter their funds here at this moment, and that's exact when we enter here, and that's why we grab this big move. And still I'm saying that the price will go to 3886 level, because this level was very strong, so the price can go to 3886 levels very easily. It may take 1 day, 2 day, or probably a week, but definitely it is going to the 3886 levels. Four 4079 again. Let's wait. The news is coming. The news is coming in 30 minutes, guys. There are so many news at the same time. Uh, if the price take 15 minutes more, then our sell entry will be invalid. Then we will wait for the entry after the news. Yeah, good question, bro. Nashwa, good question. The scenario two will be We will wait for the perfect entry point then, because the reason is there are so many news at the same time. As you can see, advanced GDP, core PC price index, unemployment claims. So we will wait for the perfect entry point then. $30 left. Let's see what we can get now. Finally, the price is going to the entry point. Considering the 20 minutes duration left in the news, let's see what the price is going to give us. Yes, copy trading is probably going to start next week. I'm still working on some copy trading aspects right now. Yeah, it is taking a little time, but I think it's going to start next. It will take not more than 10 days. Who knows? Everything goes very well by 1st of August. Otherwise, I think it will take some. So, I can't predict this news because there are so many news at the same time. As you can see, there are 5 news at the same time. So that's why I can't predict this news. We will see what will be the momentum for the price. Then we can decide our entry according to PAMD model. Because we have accumulation here, then distribution here. So this thing is left for the confirmation of the entry, and if we say we are going to enter according to the news, then it is, I think, impossible because there are so many news at the same time. All right. In government, we will only put our one entry to target the 3886 level. We will close the other layers on TP1, TP2, and TP3 for just partial closing, and we will hold only one entry at the same level for the final TP3886. And yes, it can take more than 10 days, a week, or 2 weeks probably. Okay, news is just going to release 10 minutes, and I think our cell setup is invalid for now because the news is going to come. Price seems to do some kind of rejection from 4082 level, and only 12 minutes left the news. You guys, 5 minutes left. The news. Get ready for the. The price can give some good volatility now. We waited for 4089 for past 2 hours. Now the news is just approaching in 3 minutes. As I said earlier in the VIP group and this on the live stream, that this trade will be invalid if the news will release before and wait now. There are 5 news at the same time. It can be like this. There is big wick, then down, then big wick, then down, then big wick, then down, then can start going or probably going up. Because there are 5 news at the same time, that's why it's hard to predict now. Two minutes left. Just 2 minutes. We'll see this big news. Yes, you are right, Chris. I think this data will be the similar one according to the forecast. There will be no change. I think 0.2% will be the data. 1 minute left. The problem is there are so many news at the same time. Advanced GDP, PC price index, then GDP price index, then unemployment, personal income. The most important ones are this one, 30 seconds. 4077 is the price now. 30 seconds left. Kind of word. Second. Ten seconds. Get ready, guys. Okay. Data is data bullish. Seems like the data is bullish. Unemployment claims are less than the forecast. PC price index data is still pending. Okay. Advanced GDP is less than the forecast. Personal spending is less than forecast. personal income less than forecast. Okay, the PCE price index is also less than the forecast. As we read this earlier, actual greater than forecast is good for current. This time, actual is less than the forecast. That means bad for the currency and fish for the gold. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency, but the actual data is less than the forecast. Currency is going down and gold is going up. So gold just released a big wick at 4086, but this is a trap I think. Who knows what will happen now. And if we see the other data, advanced GDP is less than the forecast. Unemployment claims are actually bearish for gold and bullish for US dollar. This data is less than forecast, which means it is bearish for gold, and gold is going down a bit. So these two datas are, I think, going to give their impact on the market one by one. There is a conflict between the two news at the same time. This is making things difficult, but don't worry, we will find the entry very soon. Okay guys, I am taking a buy here. 4073, I am taking a buy here. I am taking here. Four zero seven four 473 and 400. The stop loss will be very small. We'll just try a small buy. These are the buy levels right on the screen. Here it is. You guys can take the buy. Price is 4072. Also going to enter TPs. Let me write it first. I am just taking a small buy trade with only 50 pips of risk. The TP targets are 4076. So just confirmation, 4076, then 4080, then 4084, then 4087 is again very strong level, 4090 is again strong level, 4100 is again strong. These are the TPs. Let's see what we can get. The stop loss target is very small, very tight risk, only 50 pips. We are risking only 50 pips. Let's see now. Okay, no problem, bro. 4074. Good. Our risk is very small. We are just risking 50 pips, and I think our TP1 just hit or not. Our TP1 got hit. We just hit the TP1. I think should put the stop loss at break even as soon as possible. Should put the stop loss at break even. Okay, it is at break even again. Damn. We got the TP1 hit. 4076 has been taken, but the price is at break even. We have just one entry, guys. Only one entry right now. 4073. 4070 has not been triggered. As soon as price goes to 4075 again, we can put the stop at break even. Okay, just put the stop loss at break even. We hit the TP1 again. Just put the stop loss at break even. I hope this goes up straight now. I hope this goes up straight now. Put the stop loss at break even. I hope it goes straight now. The upside. 077. Good. Just go up. Just go up. Seven six. If it hit the break even, that means the price wants to go down. If it hit the break even, 4077 has been taken. The stop loss is at break even now because we are already running one risk to reward. We risked almost 50 pips and the trade was running 50 pips, so one risk to reward has been done. Seems little risky, but the stop loss is at break even, so just want the price to go up now, because if it hit the break even this time, I think this can make the entry point little risky again. Okay, Indian government, don't worry. Our stop loss at break even is also very near to hit, but yeah, we need to wait. It should go straight to the upside now. Should not come down. 7-4. I think 7-3 now. All. 6, 7-7. Go above. 7-8, 7-9, 8-0. Go up. Go up. Go up. Just go up. 7-7 again. Just go up. Krishna, why your entry has not taken, bro? Is there any server problem or what? 4078 hit. Our TP2 is near. TP2 is near. Wait. The 5-minute candle has been closed. Brother, I don't know the problem. Buy limit also. Let me know if you have closed the sell profits from the previous sell entry 4089, which is 4100 entry. Did you close the profits of that? Oh, is rejecting hard. All right, bro. All right. Is rejecting hard. Damn. 074 from 4078. The price rejected very hard. Our stop loss is at break even. Just go up, hit TP2, TP3, TP4, and final TP. Hit it because we have waited a lot. Okay, TP2 got hit. That's what I was looking for. TP2 got hit, guys. This is in front of you. TP2 has been taken, which is I don't know how many pips. 73 to 81. 80 is okay. 70 pips. Secure. Okay, TP2 has been taken. Now the next target is TP3 4084, which is very strong level. Very strong level. 4084. If the break even will hit, we can try a sell. I think the break even hit, we will try a sell. Not confirmed yet, but let's see what it is going to give us. No re-entry for the buy trade, bro. Alex, the price hit the break even. We will not enter in buy again. If you want to book the profits, you can book the profits at TP2 or TP1 as you wish, because the price is at break, the stop loss is at break even, and the trade is running at 1 risk to reward. Yeah, re-entry is kinda risky. I'm still more into the sells rather than buys because our previous buy is still running. Oh, sorry, sell from 4100 is still running. This one, this sell trade is still running, guys. It has already given us 700, but I am just holding one layer for this to target the maximum TPs I can get. And going back to our previous chart, 078. "15-minute candle has taken the liquidity on both sides. 5-minute candle is bullshit, and 1-minute candle is also bullshit. All depends on 15-minute time frame. Guys, make sure to like the stream, You are not liking the stream, which is not good. Make sure to like, share it with your friends. Let's see what this trade can give us. Seven nine. Oh, we need to break this level. I mark this as TP1 for my sell entry from 4089, and I think this level is acting as resistance. Okay, where was the supply zone? The break even has been taken. Break even has been taken. Anyways, it gives us 70 pips and hit the break even. I'm still more into the sells, looking for selling gain from 4090. Akhil bro, I'm still looking for sell from 4090. This level is still valid because the price action after the news is still like we can trade on this price action. 4090 is still a possible sell. You can trade that. The price wants to explode on either side. Either it will explode on the buy side or either it will explode on the sell side. Guys, make sure to like the stream. It can either go and explode on the buy side or either it will be explode on sell side. 4090 is very strong level again, but our stop loss at break even has been triggered. So if it hit the 4090, that can be the massive profits which we are going to miss. Yes, let's see. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We are almost up 800 pips for the day. I think we can get one more good entry. $4090 is still a possible selling. I think we did a good job by putting the stop at break even. Let's see. Yeah, we did good job by putting the stop loss at break even. We need a pullback to 4090 for our selling because the core PC price index is actually bullish for gold and the unemployment claims are bearish for gold. So both of these things will execute. The price is definitely going to the 4090 level. Currently the price is just following the bearish thing given by the unemployment claims, and after that I think the price can follow the PCA price index news data and can go to the upside, taking the liquidity of the sellers and buyers at 4090 and then can start going down. This is what I am thinking, and I think this is what whales are going to do. 4090 is still valid with the same TP levels I have shared earlier. All right, bro. You should be out at stop loss at break even, bro. Nashwa. Guys, there is one more risky trade. You can try a buy here again to the 4090 levels. This is a risky trade, guys. I'm mentioning it earlier. Risky trade 4068. 4068. This is a risky trade, guys. You mentioned it first. Let me write the levels. Okay, the price is at 406. Oh, sorry, 727. That's good. I think this is going to follow the plan. This our TP1 got hit. Stop loss is at 4054, whereas the take profit is at the upper level of supply zone, the final take profit. Currently the price is at 72. It hit 73 point something, means all right, bro. All right, I'm just trying it because the price is at support area and trying to give some rejection. I think that the price is going to the supply zone. That's why. Also, this is 78% level, 406867. That's why I enter buy. Well, let's see. I think we can get some good rejection. Overall, it's a risky trade. So, dropping. Okay. Remember, guys, I have already mentioned this is a risky trade, so manage your positions accordingly. TP1 again hit. We hit the TP1 again. We just need to break this 50 EMA line. Once this level is broken, we'll see the higher levels of our TP, like 77, 80, 83, 795. Need to break this. The price is currently trying to break this, but yeah, we need some momentum. Break this 50 EMA line. Our TP2 is very near. Alright, TP2 has been taken. TP2 done. Uh, 2 minutes left in the 5-minute candle close. If the candle close is above the 50 EMA line, then it's all good for us. If that's the case, then the price can go up to the high levels of our TP. Make sure to like the stream, guys. There are very less likes on the stream. Make sure to like it. No, kill bro. The TP2 has been taken. We will not re-enter on 6-8 level. We will not re-enter on 6-8 level. We will try to re-enter on 6-3 now. The 6-8 level has already given us 2 TPs, which is almost 50 or 60 pips. And now I think the price is going down to 4063 level. There we can do the re-entry. 63 or 64, something like that. Or you can enter at any price between this range, because this is a good area to buy. 4068, 63, all are good area. It's the rule. Whenever our 2 TPs got hit, we put the stop loss at break even, and if the break even got hit, we look for re-entries. If possible, we re-enter on the same price. If not, then we do the re-entry at the bottom level, 4063, just in this case. Okay, the candle is very bullish now. Any of you guys are holding this trade or not? With the 6-8 entry. Any of you guys holding this trade? The Indian government, that's good. Alright, TP3 is very near to hit this bullish engulfing candle, and the price is trying very hard to close above the 50 EMA line, which means our TP4, TP5 are also possible scenarios get hit if the price closes above the 50 EMA. Like 4081 and 4083 are possible TPs then if the price closes above 50 EMA, and then if the next 5-minute candle closes above this resistance area, then there are possibilities that the price will hit our final TP very easily. The price has made a high of 76.5. The candle closes above the 50 EMA line. Let's see. Very near to hit. Personally, I have 6-6 and 6-8 entry was closed on break even. 6-6 entry is running, whereas 6-3 limit order is still pending. If the TP3 got hit, I will delete the limit order. By the way, I think I should delete the limit order of 4063 because almost our TP3 got hit. Almost. Yeah, let's see. Yes, Indian government. Sorry. Yes, crazy alien. 4090 is good selling point. Trade is running almost 80 pips. I think at 7 it will be 90 pips. Hmm. The price is struggling at 7.5 level. Alright, TP3 got hit. TP3 just hit now, 90 pips. We are deleting our 6-3 entry limit order. We are deleting this. Guys, I think I need to end the stream right now because I need to go away for a while. Uh, I just need to go away for a while, so I am ending the stream for now. The trade will be running behind, and I will be giving you updates on this trade, the group. If you are not in the VIP, make sure to join the VIP group for free. The seats are available here, and the membership is free now. Join the VIP and make 700-800 pips every day. Thanks a lot, Nashua, for understanding. Put the stop loss at break even and let the trade running. Mind. Bye bye, everyone. Take care, guys.